Most people within our industry ask the question, why do I need a backup generator for my data center? Let's explore a different question and say, what can we do with my backup generator once I've already got it and maximize the capex I've put into my facility? Before we explain how you're going to make money out of your existing infrastructure, you need to know a little bit about what's happening with the UK power grid and what has happened historically. You may have noticed over recent years that there have been increases in the number of power cuts, whether it's at your data center or back at home, and this can largely be attributed to the existing infrastructure being almost at saturation and a very big delay and massive overspend in the new infrastructure coming in with the power stations. Believe it or not, this presents you with a massive opportunity to make some extra revenue out of your existing infrastructure. That's because the UK National Grid will pay you to fill the gaps in their infrastructure using yours. So whether you want to apply for a store scheme using your standby generators or put your UPS into one of the fast frequency response systems, we have the expertise to help you and guide you through the process to make it as easy and painless as possible.